Look, I want this thing to look as good as possible for you, and the great part is that most of the things that you need to do to make this thing look better, brighter, sexier, they're free. Some of them are crazy cheap. Let me show you. Let's hop into this. Number one, get a lineup. I'm talking about a lineup at the barbershop. Go to the barbershop, clean that thing up. Look, a lineup at most barbershops, they're gonna cost you 10 to 15 bucks. It's a great way to freshen up your hair, but more importantly, it's a great way to bring symmetry to your face. See, that's the main goal of a lineup. When you line up your entire hairline, what you're doing is, or what your barber is doing is, they're blessing your face by adding symmetry to your face. This is why whenever you go to a bad barbershop and you walk out with some jacked up lines, you look dumb. Your face looks distorted because he doesn't know what he's doing. See, most barbers will look at your face. This is why they always analyze it as they're lining you up to give you that symmetry and make you look better. Number two, shave off the peach fuzz. See, in any area that you don't want hair, see, like the cheeks, like this area, the neck area, even up here, at least for me, you always will have a little bit of peach fuzz that to the naked eye you can't see. Like you can't see it from here. Shoot, even if I get this close, you can't see it. But when you grab a straight razor, you can get these off of Amazon, and you clean off these areas, right? The areas where you don't want hair, you're gonna notice an immediate difference. See, this little peach fuzz in combination with your dead skin, oil buildup, and dirt from a day adds texture to your skin that it's unwanted texture. So when you clean that area up and then you exfoliate it and wash your face, you're gonna end up with the softest, smoothest, like literally no interruption on your skin. Your skin's gonna look flawless. Every time I do this, it's almost like I just brought in new skin to my face and my skin just looks bright and perfect. I'm telling you, try it out. It's a game changer. Which, talking about that, number three, you're going to need a skincare routine. You're going to need something to actually protect the skin. So that means every day you need to wash your face, usually with some sort of face wash that has salicylic acid to cut through the oil. You need to moisturize your face, and you need to use some sort of sunscreen. And it's not just that you need a skincare routine. You need a skincare routine for your skin. See, your skin and my skin and his skin and his skin, we're completely different. We all have different issues to deal with and different skin types. This is what most men don't understand, and this is why you'll end up using a skincare system, but it's not working. You're still getting acne, you're still oily. You gotta understand, you have to identify products that work for your skin type. This is why I love our sponsor, Geology, because they make this easy for you guys. Instead of you having to go out there and figuring this out on your own, with Geology, you can talk to a skin professional. This skin professional will look at your profile, will look at your skin, and deal and treat with your problems. So if you got oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, if you got acne, they'll look specifically into your skin type, and then they'll design a skincare system for your skin type. So now you're getting a custom system built for you and for your skin type that's gonna be 100 times more effective than the basic stuff that you can get off the shelf that's made for the masses. You need to find those products that work for your skin type so you can have a dramatic effect on your skin and make your face look better. Boys, if you want to change the game when it comes to your skincare system, you have to check out our sponsor, Geology. I'm going to have Geology linked down below, and here's the best part. Right now, they're running an offer just for you guys for this first month, 70% off. See, they want you to just try it. At this point, it's basically a gift. I don't even know how they're making money. Honestly, I don't even think they're making money, but they're that confident that this stuff is gonna work, and I'm telling you, I use it myself. The stuff is amazing. If you guys wanna check out Geology and get it at a ridiculously low price, almost a gift, click that link down below. That link's gonna give you 70% off for your first month so you can try it out and just see how amazing it's gonna be for your skin. Which rolls us on to number 4. I want you to use ice on your face. See, if you had a rough night, if maybe you didn't sleep right enough, or you were up all night, or maybe you were hungover, you've been partying, you're gonna wake up swollen. This happens every time. You're gonna retain a lot of water and your face is gonna look puffy, which obviously makes you look worse, right? You don't want that round face. You want that angular face. You wanna show your feature. The easiest way to fight against this, as soon as you wake up, grab an ice cube or two and just rub it across your face. See, ice has the power to reduce inflammation and bring down some of that blood flow to make your face look tighter and better. Number 5, cut your beard right at your neckline. This is crucial. Too many guys are cutting their beard way too high up on their jawline. By the way, too many guys is Jose. I used to do this as well. And what ends up happening is because your beard is not connecting all the way at the bottom, you're exposing the bottom of your jawline, which is giving you this awkward, almost like a double chin. You don't want that double chin effect. When you let your beard cover the entire bottom part of your neckline and make a distinction between your jawline and your neck, now your jawline looks more structured. It looks more dominant, and overall your face will look better. Finally, number 6, wear frames all the time. See, I'm not talking about sunglasses. Sunglasses are amazing, but you can only wear sunglasses outdoors. I want you to wear frames all the time. So this means if you're wearing prescription, look, that's a positive. Yeah, you might not have 20/20 vision, but you're looking 20/20. You're looking like $1,000,000 all the time. So if you wear prescription, don't look at that as a bad thing. Look at that as a good thing. And for those of you that don't wear prescription, get yourself like a pair of blue light blocking lenses. These have no prescription and you can use them 24/7. Now, when you have a frame on your face that's a perfect structure, it gives the illusion of your face being a perfect structure, being more symmetrical, and you, overall, will look like you have a better looking face. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Geology. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.